Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is of class 4th for the subject of general knowledge, topic deserts, and is being submitted to you on 24th May 2021. Children, in today's lesson, we will learn about different types of plants and animals found in deserts. Now, children, a desert is a place that get very little rain. There are hardly any trees, only grasses and thorny bushes. Students, there are two types of deserts, and those are hot deserts and cold deserts. Now, let us read about hot and cold deserts. Now, children, in hot deserts, the days are very hot, but the nights are quite cold, sometimes freezing cold. Examples of hot deserts are Sahara Desert in Africa, Thar Desert in India. Now, let's read about the cold deserts. Children, both days and nights are cold. Cold deserts may be located in high mountains or in other cold places that get very little rain and snow, such as Antarctica. The examples of cold deserts are Gobi deserts, which is in Central Asia, and Ladakh is a cold desert in India. Now, children, you can locate all these deserts in the given map. Now, deserts may be covered by the ice or may be sandy or stony. Sandy deserts have small hills of sand called dunes. First one is ice desert, second one sandy desert, third one stony desert. There are there may be small pools of water in the middle of deserts called oases. I repeat, there may be small pools of water in the middle of deserts called oases. Plural oases. Date palm trees and other plants grow around these pools, and oasis get its water from below the ground. Is it clear, children? I repeat, date palm trees and other plants grow around these pools, and oasis gets its water from below the ground. Now, children, you can see the picture of oasis. Now, desert plants. Now, children, let us read about desert plants. Desert plants have special ways of getting and storing water. In some, long roots suck up water from deep under the ground. In others, roots spread over a wide area to gather water. Now, desert plants usually have fat stems or leaves to store water. In some, like a cactus, the leaves become thorn like spines. This happens so that the plant does not lose too much water through its leaves. Other desert plants, too many have thorny stems to prevent the desert animal from eating them. Now, children, you can see the pictures of the desert plants. Now, let's talk about the desert animals. Now, in a desert, many animals spend the day in underground burrows to escape the heat. They come out at night to look for food. The fennec fox does exactly this. Its large ears also help it to stay cool. Now, children, let's read about the desert animals. Desert animals have special way of getting and storing food and water. The Gila monster stores fat in its tail. The thorny devil collects rain and dew drops on its body. The camel stores fat in its hump. A kangaroo rat does not drink water at all. It gets all its water from food. Meerkats are also found in the desert. A camel is also called the ship of the desert. It has long, thick eyelashes to keep sand out of its eyes. Its padded feet help it to walk on the sand. In cold deserts, animals such as polar bears, Arctic foxes, Arctic wolves, hares, snow leopards, seal, and walruses can be found. I repeat, in cold deserts, animals such as polar bear, Arctic foxes, Arctic wolves, hares, snow leopard, seals, and walruses can be found. Now, children, you can see the pictures of these animals. Now, you are required to do the following exercises. Now, the first one is there are two types of desert, that are hot desert and cold deserts. Second one, name two examples of hot desert. It's Sahara Desert and Thar Desert. Question number third, give two examples of cold deserts. It's Gobi Desert and Ladakh region. Okay, children. Now let's move on to the fourth point. A small hills of sand in desert are called sand dunes. Number five, a small pool of water found in desert is called an oasis. Number six, the plural of cactus is cacti. Number seven, many desert plants have fat leaves and stems to store water. Number eight, you have to name any three hot desert animals. So you can choose any of the three. Its answer is camel, panic fox, meerkat, kangaroo, rat, Gila monster, thorny devil. Now name any three cold desert animals. These are polar bears, foxes, hares, wolves, snow leopards, seal, and walruses. I hope, children, you have understood today's lesson. Thank you, students.